Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Macbook model and matching charger wattage. This prevents slow charging or damage. Next, inspect the cable and connector for frays, bent pins, or debris. Clean gently if needed. Then, make sure the wall outlet or power strip is working and that the adapter seats securely. Unstable power causes intermittent charging. Once done, position the cable so it won't kink and keep the adapter ventilated to avoid overheating while you proceed. Now, bring the charger to the MacBook and align the connector. USB-C is reversible, MagSafe clicks when correct, so you don't force it. Insert the plug firmly until you feel a secure connection. Avoid tugging or twisting the cable when under tension because that stresses the port. Once connected, route the cable away from heat sources and walkways to prevent trips. Use cable clips or ties to maintain a gentle bend radius. Make sure the adapter rests on a stable surface to stay cool during charging. Finally, verify charging by checking the LED indicator, battery icon, or percent increase. Hold the Mac awake a minute to confirm. If it doesn't charge, try a different outlet and swap to a known good charger or cable to isolate the fault. If swapping doesn't help, reset the SMC or NVRAM on your Mac as a standard troubleshooting step and inspect the port for debris. Use compressed air sparingly. If problems persist after these steps, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.